What's the trick? I wish I knew. I'm so done with thinking through all the things I could have been, and I know you wonder too. All it takes is that one look you do, and I run right back to you. You cross the line, and it's time to say F you. What's the point in saying that when you know how I'll react? You think you can just take it back, but shit just don't work like that. You're the drug that I'm addicted to, and I want you so bad. Guess I'm stuck with you, and that's that. Cause when it all falls down, then whatever, then it all work out for the better. If it does not work, then it's time to say goodbye. And it all falls down, it all falls down. Cause when it all falls down, then whatever, then it all works out for the better. If it doesn't, why? Then it's time to say goodbye. Then it all falls down.